Concentrate. Now we are saying this is our formulated problem. We don't have to formulate it again. ठीक है ना? तो जिसमें डेस्टिनी हमने पता है फॉर्मुलेशन में destinations are here, supplies are here, demand is here. The first thing which is to be done to find the initial, because we are saying we have to find the initial feasible solution. After we have a verbal transportation problem, we convert this into the formulation in the table form, okay, the matrix form like this, okay. Then we calculate the initial feasible solution like this one. We are going to do. The first one is matrix minima method or least cost method. So matrix minima in itself, the name is which is the minimum in the matrix, and try to work out with that. So how we do that? We will first have to see whether this supplies and demands are balancing. This is balanced transportation problem or not. Okay. So we try to see. First step will be to see whether this is balanced. If it's not balanced, then we have to do something. Adding the dirty rows and columns. Okay. So how we try to find what? Whether it's balanced or not. We say what is the total supplies. Okay, what are total supplies? That is 14 plus 16 plus 5. What is that equal to? 35. दिया हुआ है, that is 35. Okay, 15 plus 30 plus 5 plus 35. इसमें से एक डालेंगे 50 हो जाएगा, so it's 35. So that's good. So what is my total demand?
6 plus 10.
That is only 6 plus 10 plus 15 plus 4. How much is that?
35.
Again 35. So that means my total
supply and demand
supplies is equal
70.
to total demand is equal to 35. Therefore, the problem is therefore it's a balanced transportation problem. Or we say the problem we have is balanced. So when it is balanced, we don't have to do additional adding. We may do that tomorrow. When the problem is not balanced, we may add few things to make it balanced. Okay? Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing now is we apply the initial basic feasible solution using matrix minimum method. Now we are good to go. If it is not balanced, then we have to add one more step before going for this thing. Okay, matrix minimum method. Now since it is balanced, we don't have to do anything. It is simplest problem. So we will apply matrix minimum method here. So what we do for this is we will replicate this diagram here again. So let me do it here. I am replicating this diagram. So this is my D1, D2, D3 and D4. Okay. Little bit of artistic on this. And then we have a supply. This is my supply constraint. Okay. And this is gonna be like 0, 1, 0, 2 and 0, 3. We got 3 things here. 1, 2 and 3. So this is 6, 4, 1 and saving the space on the top 5, 8, 9, 2, 7, 4, 3, 6 and 2. Now on the bottom side we have what? The demand. What is demand? This is my demand and that is 6, 10, 15 and 4. On this side we have 14, 16 and 5. Now let us apply the matrix minimum method. So what in the matrix minimum method is, we have to choose which one is the least cost. What are these? These are the costs. Okay, this is C of I. The cost between the particular source to particular destination. And which one is minimum? Can you tell me which is minimum?
4, 4.
Huh?
4, 3, 1.
Which one is the minimum in the matrix? I am saying the matrix which one is minimum. What is saying? What is the rest? 1 is the minimum. Okay? This is the minimum. Okay? So we see for this minimum, because the least cost method, least cost or matrix minimum, okay, which is the least cost, minimum. So 1 is the minimum, right? So what is its supply? 14. What is its demand? 15. So which one is smaller?
14.
So assign 14 to it. Assign. When this 14 is assigned, how much is left out? 0. How much is left out?
0.
Because you are assigning 14 to it. Now you are assigning 14 from the demand. So how much is left out? 1. Okay? आपको देखना क्या है? You have to see which is the least in the matrix. मुझे लिखा 1 है. ठीक है? अगर दूसरा भी 1 होता कहीं पर, तो मैं दोनों में से एक लेता, जो आपकी मर्जी होती. It doesn't matter. Okay? Now I am seeing 1 is the least, 1 is the
Least.
so from the demand and supply, whosoever is lesser, I will assign that. So I am assigning 14 to it. So when I assign 14, this is gone. Okay, 0. 15 minus 14 is how much is left out?
1.
यानी कि 14, 15 में से 14 दिए ना आपने, तो बचे कितने? 1. तो अभी डिमांड एक और है, ठीक है, और देने का और है. लेकिन अगर आपने इसको 0 कर दिया, that means this whole row is gone. I have assigned 14 out of it. जो मुझे सप्लाईज थी वो मैंने सारी खर्च कर दी. अब कुछ बचता है? यानी कि I cannot assign anything to 5, 4 or 6 from this because 0 is left. Because I assigned whole 14 to it. If I give more to 5 or 4 and 6, वो कहाँ से लाऊंगा? तनख्वाही की सप्लाई 14 ही थी, वो तो मैंने दे दिया 1 को, यानी कि वो 14 इधर गए 0, 1, 2, 3. ठीक है? अब मैं कहाँ से लाऊंगा? 5 और 4, यानी मैंने नहीं दे सकता, मैंने सारे खर्च कर दिए. ठीक है? So that means I will gray it out. That means I cannot work with any of this now. I have assigned this row. This is done. I'm done with this. Now for the next iteration, I have to see which is minimum among these. This one. So I'm seeing couple of 2s. Either I can take this or I can take this. आपकी मर्जी. So let me take this one. Let me take the 2 now from here. Let me take this 2 as the least. From this, now my array is left out to this much, right? Okay. So I took 2. From this side I have 1, and from this side I have 16. I don't have 15 now. I have 1 only. This 14 is gone. I have only 1. So which is lesser, 1 or 16?
1.
So I will put 1 inside, assign 1 to this. I will assign 1 to this. Okay? So how much is left out here? How much is left out here? 15. So when here 0 is left out, when here 0 is left out, so I have no demand on this. So I have to gray out all of this. So I can't work with this now, this column, because I don't have anything to give. This is 0 now. Okay? The same procedure I apply to 1, I am applying to 2 now. Okay? Now which array is left out? Which matrix is left out? This much. Okay? That's 8, 9, 7, 2, 3, 6. Who is least? 2 is the least. Okay? So I will make a round on this. 2 is my least. So supply is 5, demand is 4. Which one is lesser?
4.
So I will assign. When I assign 4, how much is left out? 0. How much left out? 1. So if it is 0, can I work on this?
No, sir.
So what I have to do?
Gray out.
I have to gray out this. I have assigned this now.
Yes, sir.
So what is left out now? 8, 9, 4, 3. This is my left out. So who is the least one?
3.
Least cost method, matrix minima. I am trying to see the minimum all the time. So who is minimum? 3 is minimum. Okay? Is 10 is a demand and 1 is a supply. Who is lesser? 1. So I will assign 1 to it. I will assign. So I will assign. I will take the 3, assign 1 to it. This is gone. This is 0. And how many left out? So who I will get gray out? Because 0. I can't work with this now. Okay? This row is gone. Right? Same procedure I am applying all the time. Now what is left out? 8 and 9. Which one is least? 8. So I will choose the 8. I will choose the 8. Now on this side is 6. On this side is 15. Which is lesser?
6.
Least cost 6. Assign 6. This is gone. 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay? And from this 15 minus 6, that is 9. I have 9 on this side. Okay? Because this is 0, so this will be grayed out. I can't work. Only one element left. Who is that? 9. So assign that. On this side it is 9, on this side is 9. It has to be 9 because it was balanced.
Yes, sir.
A 9 requirement. 9 cost is left out, so I will assign the 9 to it. Give it the red. I will assign 9 to it. Okay? So this is 0, this is 0. I am done. Nothing is left out. So what will be the basic initial feasible solution now? The initial basic feasible solution जो इसका होगा, जो initial basic feasible solution will be, from this row I have 1 into 14, 1 into plus in this row 8 into 6 plus 9 into 9 plus 2 into 1. जो मैंने असाइन किए वो ले रहा हूं मैं, जो एक वो ऑलरेडी किए, इसमें से 1 था 8 9, अब 2 into 1 है, 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1 और plus ये 2 into 4, right? So this will be 14. This is 8 into 6 is
48.
plus 9 9 is
81.
plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 into 4 is 8. Add them here. How much? 156. Whether it is rupees or whatever that is, dollars or whatever it is, cost. This is our initial basic feasible solution. I will run it again for you. You will write it, but just listen first. See here. What I am doing? First I see whether the supplies and demands are same or not. Are they equal? If they are not equal, then I will do one more step. That we will do tomorrow. Okay? If it is unbalanced. Now if it is so, it is nice. Then we go for the initial basic solution using matrix minimum method or least cost method. Where I will choose which one is the smallest in the array. That is one. Assign the smallest from the supply and demand and cross out that. And if it is 0, I can't work with that row. If the column is 0, I can't work with that row. Gray out. Okay? Don't work with these elements when you assign something. If you have this row, don't work with this element because it's grayed out. And I will repeat this step, finding the least till I am done. And when the last जो मुझे बचे हैं ये, इनको मैं आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा और प्लस करूंगा नेक्स्ट के साथ, और जो निकलेगा that is my initial basic feasible solution. कोई question? Is it clear? Take up some another example. Okay, this is very easy, right? Very easy. You can do any example. मिनिमम ढूंढा, कौन है उसके साइड में और नीचे लिखा कौन मिनिमम है, वो डालो अंदर, ठीक है? वो माइनस करो इसमें से एक जीरो हो जाएगा ना, जो जीरो हो गया वो ग्रे आउट करो, फिर हो गया, और जो अगर आपने ये वाला लिया इसमें से माइनस करो, ठीक है? अब देखो नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट्स ऐसे ही, जब तक कि सारे एलिमेंट्स एग्जॉस्ट नहीं होंगे. So when you are done, you will get an initial basic feasible. So which one is the initial basic solution here?
156.
150. That's it. Okay.